All right, example 1 here on percent error. Mike and Brian are estimating the number of jelly beans in a jar for a prize of $10. You go, Brian and Mike. Brian estimates that there are 1,234 jelly beans, but Mike, on the other hand, estimates that there are 1,999 jelly beans. The winner will be whoever has the smallest percent error. And then they give us the actual number of jelly beans in the jar. So this means we're comparing these percent errors. We need to do 2% errors. 2 estimates equals 2% errors. So keep them organized. I'm going to start with Brian first. And remember, let's look at our formula. My percent error formula, percent error, PE, is equal to estimate minus actual, divide by actual, times 100. So Brian's estimate was that 1,234 minus the actual of 1,215, divide by the actual of 1,215, times that 100. Okay, so now I can math that. Let's make this a little smaller here and kind of see what we're working with. All right, so 1,234 minus 1,215 is equal to 19 divided by 1215 times 100 divided by 1,215 times 100 is equal to 1.563. 1.563%. And then we have to look at Mike next. So Mike, we're going to do over here. Mike's estimate was 199 minus the actual of 1,215, divide by the actual, times that 100. So 199, another 9, minus 1,215 is equal to 784. 784, divide that 1215, times 100, divide 1215, enter, times 100 is equal to 64.52. 64.5267%. Okay, so who had the smallest percent error? Definitely Brian. Brian had the smallest percent error. So Brian wins the money because 1.563 is less than 64.526. And that makes sense because Brian's estimate was closer compared to Mike's.